another episode of Paulies Kitchen. My name is Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make traditional blue corn tortillas. Arriba! Can't wait, going to be amazing. I actually imported blue corn flour from Mexico. Well, I've not, someone else has, but I bought it off them. But it still comes from Mexico. Guys, everything for this recipe you will need is here. So we've got some blue corn flour, we've got a big pot of salt, and we've also got some water. So guys, in the meantime, like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video. The first thing that we're going to need is a big metal bowl and a set of scales. So get your scales, you want to set that to 0. Weigh out 450 grams of blue corn flour. Next you want to add a nice pinch of salt. Let's get rid of the scales. And now all you want to do is you want to add 250 millilitres of water. Using your hands, just bring your hands in and just gently mix that. Once it's all starting to mix in, if it's a little bit too dry you can add some water. If it's a little bit too wet you can add some more of your blue flour. Unless you haven't got any more blue flour, then you're hard out of luck. Sorry. Once your dough looks like this, it looks like plasticine, it's awesome, it's so soft. What we do now is we need to portion out the dough to 50 grams a piece and then we're going to press it. And that is it. Well, we need to pan fry it, but then that'll be it. Well, we're going to put them in the oven and then that will definitely be it. And then we're just going to peel off the dough and weigh it out to 50 grams. Now that you've portioned all of your dough out to 50 to 55 grams, let's get rid of that bowl. What we need to do now is we need to press it. So what I've got, guys, I've got a tortilla press here. So what you need to do is you need to open it up and you need to get some baking paper. And 2. Baking paper doesn't have to be perfect. All it needs to do is cover the actual press itself. There's a little lever type thing here which is handy, so you just open it up and then you place your baking paper just like that. You need to roughly flatten out your dough to a rough disc shape, place it in the centre, add on your other piece of baking paper, press down on the lid. So yeah guys, once you've pressed it down, that's what you should end up with this, which is a raw blue corn tortilla round, and all we need to do that is pan fry it and then pop it into the oven. So guys, yeah, that is how you make blue corn taco shells. I'm just putting them in the oven. So guys, yeah, that's how you make blue corn taco shells. Really quick, really simple to do, and they look absolutely amazing. I'm going to use these for my fish tacos, so watch out for that episode. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I'm going to release my next video, which will be really soon. In the meantime guys, take care of yourselves, bye bye. Water, salt and nixmatalized.